guys, this smell amazing. The smell is just like blowing me away. I can't actually stop sniffing this perfume. It's just like incredible. So guys, let me just jump into this video because so basically guys, today I will be reviewing these two perfume. Yay! So I did a perfume collection before. I'll leave the link up there or down below so it will pop up. And yeah, I thought why not do unboxing of this new perfume and try it with you guys. That's exciting because you guys liked the previous one I did. That's why I thought let's kind of review this and unbox it together. So which one am I going to unbox first? Is it the Chance or is it the Dior? You know what? With this, I'm not quite. I think I've used this perfume before, but honestly I can't actually remember. I can't remember. So let me just unbox it and let's try this perfume. Okay, I love the way they've done the packaging. I love the shade of pink, and it has a bit of silvery color at the side. And this is the back and that is the front. I don't know if you guys can see if I put it closer. So this is 100 ml. Is the Eau de Parfum perfume. So let me just open it with you guys and see. I can't wait to actually spray it on. Oh wow, so I think I've used this perfume before. I think years ago I've used this perfume. I love the oh my god, this is beautiful. Underneath, look at the way they've done it. Underneath is just so, all the details is just so beautiful. The bottle is a really nice bottle that you can proudly display in your cabinet, or anywhere. Just so beautiful. It's just like really elegant. I love the cover. I love the top bit, the silvery, just the details, the bottle and the details I really like. It's just so, it really is nice perfume. So yeah, then you open it. I can't smell anything now. No. Let's see this one. Let's smell this. Oh yes, I've used this. Oh, this is nice. Oh my god. Straight away. It has that, it's a patchouli. It has that patchouli smell already. Oh, this is really nice. I will try it again actually. It smells very floral, very floral. Yeah, this sort of perfume you can use it all year round. You could use it like winter, summer, spring. For me, spring is going to be the best time because everywhere is like floral, like sunny. So this is nice. You put this sort of perfume on, it will just like you feel amazing. You will just smell so beautiful. You leave, you walk past people, they will know that definitely you've sprayed some amazing perfume on. So yeah, it's very floral. It's just very floral. Let me just read what it has to say on the Dior website. A floral fragrance, so in the round table, unpredictable, in perpetual movement, chance sweep you into its twill world of happiness and fantasy. So then you will encounter chance. The inspiration behind this perfume, like, it doesn't stay still. It's a chance. It twirls everywhere. It goes everywhere. Like, the smell lingers everywhere. It never ever stays still, and I actually believe that because I don't want to drop it because my floor is tile. So if I drop it, I don't want to smash my nice perfume. This perfume it has jasmine, it has pink pepper, amber patchouli, and yeah, it's just an incredible perfume. So it's not. The smell is not as strong as the Mademoiselle one I did. The Mademoiselle one was really strong. I really like Mademoiselle. I used that. Is it the Mademoiselle? Yes, I used that. I use the Mademoiselle one a lot in the summer because in the summer when you're sweaty, because the patchouli in that is like double. So it's a bit more on a stronger side. I use that when it's a bit hot or when I go to like hot countries. So this one I would definitely say is all year round. You can use this one like in the winter, summer, spring, you name it, and it's just amazing. So if you're looking for a nice perfume to buy somebody, I would definitely recommend this Chance Chanel. So the next one I have is the Dior is the Dior perfume. This is Miss Dior actually. So this is Miss Dior, and it came in this pack. It came in this pack, and it's like a gift pack. I can't actually remember. Yeah, I think this was a present. This was a present. I'm just going to unbox it. I actually like the pack that it came in. It's really sweet. Look at that. That is very sweet. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I think it works like this. This is a really nice packaging. It's a really nice gift packaging, so I quite like this one. And yeah, this is the Miss Dior. Let me just go ahead and unbox this too. So this is the packaging. It's like kind of creamy in color, and some of the edges have like silver rounded. So it's quite chic, but I think I still prefer the Chance packaging, but maybe because I'm just a little bit that girly. Anyway, this is all the parfum, and this is the 100 ml bottle. So let me just go in and see what it looks like inside. Oh, look at that. They're quite similar in color, aren't they? They're very similar in color. Yeah, so this is really, it's very beautiful. I love the bow, the way they've done the bow on the bottle, and I like the presentation of it. It's very cute. I love the bottle, the packaging and the bottle is very nice. So yeah, let's see what this, can I smell anything now? No. I like spraying it in the air, then I sniff a bit before anything. Gosh, what does that smell like? Completely different. This one has a lot of patchouli. I would definitely say that. So the first one I do the Bloomy Backward. So that one was floral, but this one is not as floral. This one is a bit more, this one is a bit more stronger. It's leaning towards the black opium, that kind of category. It's definitely leaning towards that kind of category. That's why say, does it have the cedar wood? So I'm just going to read a bit about this fragrance now. It says this fragrance is Miss Dior fragrant is young and vibrant, filled to the brim with sweet. Yes, I thought so. Let's see. I thought it wasn't floral at all. So filled to the brim with sweet, feminine charm, and a lovely fragrance for every generation. Basically, the young, the old, any generation can use this. So this perfume was introduced in 2005, so it has been around for quite a long time now. This blend of floral green and sugary notes create a fresh, delicious scent that is great for work or school. The top notes of white strawberry leaves and bitter green tangerine morphing into a sweet blast of caramel popcorn. Who doesn't like caramel popcorn? And strawberry. Yummy. That's nice. With just a hint of soft violet thrown in to soften the mist. Just the right amount of fragrance for everyday wear. Yeah, I think this one is great. It's not as strong, and I think it has like the patchouli as well, but I can't actually read a lot about it from here. So yeah, this one is great. The smell is just so, the smell is just like really is divine. I'm absolutely like all covered in this really nice smell. It's beautiful. So with they're very different perfume, really different perfume, and they just like, they have different smell, but in all they high-end perfume. So either one is really great. I can't really choose which one I like the best, but I think both of them, they're really nice, great perfume. So if you're looking to buy somebody perfume for a female, this is great equally as that. So this one is just a little bit on the higher price compared to that. I always love Chanel is still one of my favorite perfume out there, but Dior is equally as nice because this smell is really nice. So Chanel I really do like. I just like the way the mixture of their perfume, the way it smells. It has like a special smell to it. So yeah, if you're looking to buy perfume for anybody, you know you're on the safe side if you pick one of them depending on your budget. So basically guys, this is the end of this video. If you see my face for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put on the notification bell. Let's grow this channel together. So until next time everybody, I'll say au revoir. See you. Bye bye.